Hello, this is Poonam Shukla, UR14C028, and this is my first Unix and Linux lab experiment. And here we are going to use basic Unix command to solve all these questions right here. And yeah, first question is based on we have to create a directory. So first, for creating directory, we just use mkdir and then directory name whatever you want as a directory name. So you just have to, like, I am in the directory called Poonam name, so I can just type mkdir and Poonam1. And the second question is change to directory, and if I want to switch it, I want to go inside to that directory, I just have to do cd and then that directory name. So that's how I can go inside that directory. And now the second, we have to create, sorry, third, we have to create a file inside a directory. And inside that file, we have to, you can see here, it's a file inside this directory, and file name is studentdetails.txt, and cat for creating a cat command is used for creating the file cat, and then this greater than symbol for creating a file. And then we can save everything inside, and if you want to just display it, you just have to use cat and then file name. So all this data you can see already saved here. And the third question is we have to sort it. So we have to search a pattern called data warehouse. So if you want to search a pattern, you have to use grep command according to data warehouse. So grep data warehouse, where you are searching for it in student details. So this is see registration number and all is seen according to data-ware. And the fourth question is here we have to find display the cat, means according to cat. So we have to find number of student present in that elective. So here also we are using grep command, but we are searching here according to CAD. We are searching in student details dot text pipeline command. Here we are using pipeline command. Pipeline command is basically we will take output of first command as an input for second command. So here we are taking number of student present, so it will search the pattern of CAD and then take the word count and the letter and show it. So two people are present in a CAD elective. And now the second question is, so sixth question is we have to sort into registration. So for sorting, we just use keyword called sort and -nr for for ascending order. We use -nr for descending nr. So we want to just sort student details text, student detail text. So it will sort it in descending order. So now next question we have to copy a new file with the same content as a student. So here we are using CP for copying one file from source file. Source file is our student details is our source file to destination. So destination is backup.txt. So here we can see, if you want to see, you can just cat backup text. Yeah, so everything is present over here. So now next question is we have to rename the back file to save file. So if you want to rename it, for that move command is there. So by using that you can change the name save.txt. So now next question we have to see how many files are available under div. So for that we have to give we have to see ls means for seeing the hidden, means list of the file inside that directory. Div taking the using pipe, and we'll take word count and -l. Yeah, so 183 under that division list will be saved into, it will count output of that. Uh, yeah, it will take an input as of that output. And the next question is we have to see the current time. So for seeing the time, we just have to type date and we can see it. And the next question is we have to see the calendar of June. So for seeing the calendar, keyword is cal and month is given in numerical value, so 6. Whatever year you want to see, 2000, like 2017, should be seen here. And the next question is we have to store the name who are logged into system and saved into file. So whoever is logged inside it, so for that we use who command, so we can see who and all logged in right in your machine, logged in inside the machine, who copying into user dot text. So if you see cat user dot text, so you can see a person who are already logged in or inside the machine. Here you can see their name, their their username. And the next question is we have to see the all hidden, like terminal number. So for seeing the terminal number, you just have to type for using the terminal number, uh, we just have to see the number of word count in the just one sec. Yeah, if you want to see uh, next question, yeah, for finding the terminal number, you just have to type who I am. Sorry, yeah, so next question is how many words are present in the file. So if you want to see the number of words present in the file, so you have to take WC minus W. We are taking W here for word count, and then we'll, from where we are taking student details dot text. Yeah, so number of words present in the file will be seen here. And if you want to see your terminal number, so you just have to type who I am, so it will show your terminal number. So here you can see your terminal is seen over here. So next question is you have to see all the hidden files. If you want to see all hidden file, you just have to type ls minus a. So ls will show your list and minus a will show your hidden files. So here you can see the hidden file is csc, so it's present here. Our next is, next question is we have to contain an alias unhidden, and then we have to include our file in the hidden. So whatever present in my this directory, I'll do alias unhidden equal to ls minus a, because, and then this is will save everything inside my this file, whatever list is present in this directory. And the second question is process ID. So process ID, we just have to type ps, and this will show our process ID right now. And for creating the empty file, we just have to type touch and file name dot doc, or whatever file you want to create, dot or text, file text. So that's how you can create empty file. So now we have to create a directory called mk. For creating directory mk csc, so it's file already exists. So if so what we have to do, we have to move everything. So for moving, we just have to do mv mv everything from this file dot txt to cs. So if everything will move into cs, so I have one more directory here, so I'll switch into that directory. I'll show you the output in this directory, and all the list of the file minus a, And now I'll do, if, and the last question is, we have to see the last part in the student.txt, last line of the file present in this student.txt. So that will be tail minus n3 student details. So here you can see all the last 3 lines are present over here. So this was my first lab Unix and Linux lab experiment. Thank you.